There are people who believe that October is too early to think about Christmas. I am not one of them. Hey, it's Erin, and we're opening something really special today. This is an advent calendar full of delicious stationery. I've never had an advent calendar before, and I have wanted one forever. I'm so excited that I get to have this experience, so thank you so much to Hubman Chubgirl for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful, beautiful piece so that I can enjoy, and you can enjoy, through me. Or you can buy your own. In case you're not familiar with Hubman Chubgirl, I did have a video with them recently as well in case you want to check out some non-Christmas related stuff. It's up here and in the description if you want to see. Hubman Chubgirl are a small stationery business. They're based in Toronto, Canada. Originally they started out as a husband and wife duo, which is the Hubman and Chubgirl that are in the logo and give them their name. They have a little bit of a team going on these days, but the overrunning theme of Hubman Chubgirl stationery is that all of the artwork is designed by Chubgirl herself. It's a very distinct style, it's super adorable, and they also make a really good range of functional stationery as well as the pretty decorative stuff, which is where my heart lies. But functional stationery is extremely useful too. It's right there in the name, it's functional. Their goal is to help stationery people like you and me to express ourselves and stay organized in our journals and planners. They also do quite a bit of their printing of the stickers, the cutting of the stickers, the packaging of the products, and the shipping from their Toronto office as well. So you know where your stuff is coming from. We're gonna open a few things today in the Hubman Chubgirl advent calendar. We're not gonna spoil the whole thing. We're only gonna open 5 things. We're gonna spoil 1/5 of the advent calendar so that if you have one of these in your future, you can still have some surprises. At the time that I'm filming this, the advent calendars are available for pre-order on Hubman Chubgirl. They're currently listed at $150, down from $250, so they're already kind of on sale. And I do have a discount code as well. It is Erin, it is on the screen, and will get you 15% off at Hubman Chubgirl. Allow me to read to you from the Hubman Chubgirl holiday advent calendar listing on their website. It says, get ready to slay December with 25 days of stationery surprises wrapped up in the Hubman Chubgirl holiday advent calendar. Inside the box, you'll discover all your favorite high-quality products from us and more, all meticulously designed with love and care, featuring new hand-drawn illustrations by Chubgirl. This special holiday collection will not be sold separately, so act fast to secure these exclusive goodies. I haven't opened this yet, so you're getting my live reaction. Let's, how does this magnetized box? And then when you open it up, we've got some little drawers that have the packages inside labeled for. So the top drawer says day 1 to day 7, so the first week of December. Oh, goodness me, they're very keen and excited, as am I. And inside we have, this is so exciting. Inside we have the packages, and they are numbered, so you know what to open for each and every day. Now I don't want to open number 1. We're gonna open, how many did we say we'd do? We're gonna open 5. I don't wanna open number 1 because I feel like the first day of an advent calendar, I haven't done one before. This is purely conjecture, but I do feel like the first day is probably a very exciting thing. So let's do number 2. Let's open number 2 together. The packaging is so cute. The little bags inside are Christmas themed. So they've got this lovely gold gilded Christmas illustration vibe going on, and the little stickers that have the numbers on are also featuring the Hubman Chubgirl characters and shiny, which makes me really, I feel like Christmas is the time for shiny things, right? You have to be shiny at Christmas or you're doing it wrong. Okay. Oh, it's a little pencil case. It's got 3 little characters on, a bear, a kitty, and a bunny. And the overall design of the pencil case is like a Christmas sweater, which obviously we do not wear sweaters in Australian Christmas because it is summer. So this is a great way for me to live vicariously. Be like, it's cozy. I will crank my aircon to the coolest I possibly can, and then I will pretend that I can wear this. Yeah. The ultimate test for me is always, will it fit a Tombow? Yes, it will. It'll fit a Tombow. We can put a Tombow in it. I'm very happy. We can, in fact, we can put several Tombows. Amazing. Let's do something from the second lot. That's the first lot. There's a little ribbon pull at the bottom of the drawers so that you can open them quickly, easily, comfortably. Should we do a small one this time? Number 8. What's inside? Paper clips! Christmas paper clips, they're so cute. How did they know I need paper clips? I was just doing my tax recently and I was running out of paper clips and I was like, how am I gonna do my tax next year? With Christmas paper clips. That's how I'm gonna do my tax next year. There are 3 colors of paperclip and each of those colors is also a different design. So the red ones are little presents, little wrapped gifts. The green ones are little Christmas trees, and the gold, bronze, copper are little reindeer. They're so cute. If you use paper clips in your work, or if you somehow use them in your journal to like add a removable note or something to the page as a bookmark, whatever it is, you would have so much fun in the Christmas season with these. I would use them year round. I'm not gonna open anything from the week of Christmas because that's too spoily. Let's pick some, oh, there's a big one. I don't wanna open the big ones, is that bad? Let's do 17. Maybe we'll do 18 too. I wanna be able to show you a spread made with some stationery, so I'm hoping that I'm opening some things that I can demonstrate. This is number 17. Stickers! Oh, baking buddies. Holiday snack buddies. Holiday friends. Holiday baking. Holiday sweet treats. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, we've got a definite food theme going on here, and that makes me happy because Christmas food is the best food. Something I really like about Hubman and Chubgirl's Christmas offerings, as you can see from the box here, their color scheme is still really strong as like the Hubman and Chubgirl pastel adorable color scheme. You're not pulling out Christmas things and it's all bright red and dark green. The greens are lighter kind of lime greens. The reds are actually pinks, which like pink is just light red, so that makes sense. But also it still looks like Christmas without screaming Christmas at you. Like it's adorable Christmas and I love it. Okay, we're gonna make some use of these for sure. What's in number 18? It feels like a washi tape. Tis. Holiday Stamps washi tape. It's 28mm by 340mm, so it's a little bit of a wider one. Oh, they're like postage stamps. Oh, they're adorable. They've got the little critters on. Do you know what? I think the gingerbread people might be my favorites. They've got their pots of sugar and their rolling pins, and there's cakes and puddings and stuff. So this, I'll be able to make something pretty with you guys. So that's 4 items. Let's open. I said 5, didn't I? Maybe we should do 6. Let's go back to the first week because we're not touching this one. There's something big in the bottom of this one. I think I know what it is. Or maybe I don't. No, I think I do. No, we're not gonna open that one. We're gonna open day 5 and we're gonna open day 9. That's what we're gonna do, 5 and 9. How great is this though, once you've opened all of your advent calendar things? For storage, if you like having little drawers on your desk, you could use this to store your stuff and it would be adorable. So that's always good. It doesn't necessarily have to be stationery either, although I would store stationery in it. You could put like makeup things, art supplies. It'd be really good pen storage because you can lie them all down flat. Or maybe I should do that. We're currently opening day 9 because I am non-linear. Oh, they're Christmas cards. That's really smart. I did not expect Christmas cards, but now that I'm thinking about it, that makes a lot of sense. Sweet holiday wishes. Happy holidays. Baking spirits bright. That's cute. I really like that as a theme. And then 3 appropriately sized envelopes in craft paper with lovely shiny Hubman and Chubgirl gilding on the back, embossed. I really like these because they are Christmas vibes, they are Christmas coded. Of course it all is, it's an advent calendar. But the messages are kind of non-denominational, which makes them easy for you to give to people. They look delicious. I have not given anyone a Christmas card in a very long time, but I might give 3 very special people Christmas cards this year. Wow, I'm not doing very well at picking things that I can set up a spread with, am I? But that's okay, because we have one more, day 5. I'm concerned that it won't be something I can demonstrate. Let me compare it against some of the other things. Let me squish some stuff and see. I'm gonna do that every time, aren't I? Day 3 feels a little safer. We're gonna do day 3. I've decided I'm putting 5 back in the box. It's December 3rd and you open your advent calendar and you find it's a little sticky note set. Are they sticky notes? Is it just a memo pad? No, they're sticky. Look, There's a garland at the top of a window design going on here, and then we've got baking supplies down the bottom, and all the baking supplies have little faces because that's the Hubman and Chubgirl thing, you know. Everything is a little bit adorably anthropomorphized. Oh, how sweet. Okay, I can demonstrate with that. So I feel like that's a good spot to stop. I don't want to show you too many things. How many did we open? 6. Okay, I think 6 out of 25 is a good place to stop. Okay, I'm gonna put you up here so you can see my desk, and we're going to arrange some of these items into a little bit of a junk journal spread, a little like a Christmas celebration. And I'm gonna use my Hubman and Chubgirl journal, which has the Magic Castles theme on it, so that doesn't quite go with the Christmas vibes, but I believe that fantasy is relevant year-round, so that's okay. I'm going to use the paper clips to hold my book open. Normally I'd use more of a binder clip for this situation, but when you have paper clips that look like this, it would be rude not to use them. When I'm not sure how I'm going to set up a journal spread, I typically like to start with larger items and work my way down to the smaller things. So the larger items that'll take up the most page space, I can kind of work things out from there. So in this case, we're going to start with the stamp washi tape. I'm going to line the top and bottom of the spread with those, and then we'll start worrying about the sticky notes and also the tiny stickers. The great thing about a washi tape like this is that you can use it in a full strip the way that I'm using it here, or alternatively, you can tear it off or cut it off at the perforated points in between each one of the stamps. So it can be a large decorative element, it can be a small decorative element, or if, like me in the way I'm going to use it here, it can sometimes be a little bit of both. I'm going to use the window sticky notes in the middle of each of the pages as kind of a header element. I was thinking of windows being evenly spaced like how they are in a house, you know, so kind of a gingerbread house kind of a vibe, maybe a little bit. And because these are already sticky along one edge, I'm just going to add glue tape to one of the other edges to make it stick down. You can also use these just as sticky notes in your journal if you like to take a list with you from week to week. You can just stick it to the page for the week and then move it to the next one if you want to do that kind of thing. You can kind of treat it like a temporary tip-in, or if you didn't leave yourself enough space for a list or something like that, then you can just add some extra paper by using a sticky note like this. One of my favorite ways to put together a junk journal spread is just to make sure that things are touching and overlapping a little bit. It makes it seem a little bit more intentional rather than just having things floating in space not touching each other, if that makes sense. So I'm almost treating the stamps like a brick wall, where sometimes they're layering up on top of the stamps that are at the top and bottom of the page, or sometimes they're layering on top of the sticky notes instead. Either way, I'm trying to make sure I've got a pretty even representation of the pinky red and the green on the page too, so it's definitely reading Christmas. Also, I didn't notice this about the sticky notes earlier when I just opened the packet, but I am noticing it now. They are made from recycled paper, which we always love to see. I wanted this to act a little bit like a quote spread, but I didn't want to do too many words because I wanted it to fit onto the 2 post-its here. So I'm just going with a classic, you know, season's greetings. I'm using just one of my handy brush pens to letter that on top of the post-its here, trying to keep it somewhat central and sticking to a very flowy cursive because I feel like that's very classic for this time of year. Not sure if black was the right choice. I think it might be a bit dark and harsh, and maybe I would have been better off going with a dark grey or something like that, but it's on the page now, so we're gonna stick to it. And then we have these tiny little vinyl stickers, which are so cute. I like to cluster these ones together so that it's obvious that these are from a set, if that makes sense. So they're like a little family, especially since these have lots of little characters on them. So I'm just finding spots I can overlap a little bit with my little characters here and just place them in 2s, 3s, 5s, little groups, you know. I feel like clustering them like this makes them look very intentional. You can also scatter them around the page, and we're going to scatter some of them around like little raining lollies, which happens in Australia at Christmas time. Santa drives around on the fire truck and he rains down lollies upon the children of the suburbs, and it's a very nice tradition. So I'm just going to place these ones strategically to fill in that negative space a little bit, but not too much. I don't want it to be an overwhelming spread, but I do want it to feel whimsical and very Christmas magic-y. I think sticker tweezers work really well with these tiny vinyl stickers because it helps you see where you're placing the sticker without your fingers being in the way before you commit it to the page. Although I have found with the vinyl stickers, they're very easy to peel up if you change your mind about the placement on one of them. Now I just wanted to show you a closer view here and tilt the book around a bit because there is gold gilding on those stamp washi tape pieces, so I had to show that off because you know I love gold gilding. And I think I did pretty well here given that I had quite limited supplies to work with to come up with a little Christmas spread, but I'm happy with it. I think it's quite adorable. If you wanted to get your hands on one of these or anything else from Hubman and Chubgirl, don't forget to use my code Erin when you're checking out to get 15% off your order so that they know that I sent you. It's not an affiliate code, I won't make any money, it's just a little Christmas surprise for you. It's not a surprise, but you know, you get it. It's a little Christmas gift from me. If you would like to continue living vicariously through me, I'm going to unbox each of these items one at a time on my Instagram stories throughout December. So if you want to jump over to my Instagram, this is it down here in the corner. In case you're not following me already, we can open some more things together. Thanks for getting into the Christmas spirit with me, even if it feels a little bit early for you. As far as I'm concerned, late October is totally fair game. If you're in the mood to open some more stationery with me, I have a playlist of all of my stationery haul videos you can access here. And also here's another video that YouTube thinks that you might enjoy. I'll catch you again next week. Bye.